Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you are a current subscriber, I really appreciate you so much and thank you for coming back. Today we're going to go over gift bags and why those are important and why you should actually start doing them while you're still a student in school. So a little later in this video, I'm going to give you some ideas. I did research for a few days on what the most affordable, cost-effective ideas for gift stuffers are. So I will be showing y'all that in just a minute. But let me start by saying why you should do gift bags. So first, it'll show that you're thankful. It'll show that you are worried about their customer service experience and that you're trying to provide them with a good experience. It's a great way to market yourself and your services. So whether you're a student or whether you are self-employed or working for someone, you can always add your little business card, add a menu, add a coupon code or something for products or for your service. It helps introduce products and services to your clients. It also shows attention to detail. So if you are worried about the small things like what's in a gift bag, what does that mean when it comes to how you're treating me and my skin and the environment that you're working in? Then I'm gonna come to you to get my services done. So it's a great form of marketing and a great form of client acquisition. Okay, now the fun part. So what should you provide in these little bags? I would suggest you provide items that they might use daily to provide a reminder throughout the day. Oh, hey, I'm using this. Where did I get it? It's so cute. From my, from my facialist or from whatever service you're working on, then whatever you are, it'll remind them of that service. I did want to note that you should definitely count the cost of your bag. So on average, my bag might cost between $1 and $2 to create. You can adjust that cost depending on what you put in your bag. You can also save money on individual items by buying them in bulk on Amazon. Now let's get into the actual item. I went out and got 2 different bags. I'm using these clear bags. I prefer the client sees it and sees like how cute these items are going to be in there. I purposely chose items that do make a visual impact. I'm a visual person, so I want to give that to somebody. You can get bags at the dollar store or at something like these are from Target. These I purchased separately. They're just little like thank you cards. So they're just little thank you cards that you can just fill out, little blank thank you cards. The first items I got from the dollar store were these bath bombs. They were about $1 a pack, so that makes them maybe 33 cents per ball. So if you put this in a bag, there's 33 cents into your bag, and you can decide whether you want it to be below $1, $1.50, whatever you think your cost of your bag should be. You should count the little individual items as you're putting them in there. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but once you get your first round of bags done and you know the price and you've already ordered, you don't have to redo this unless you want to change the items. You don't have to redo that. The next thing is these are from Amazon. So it's the exfoliation gloves. Let's see, they look like this. They're really high quality actually. I will put the picture here. I wasn't sure how much they were, but they are definitely worth the investment. So I went out and ordered 3 different headbands so I can show y'all 3 different price ranges for your bag. The first ones are the most affordable. They were $12.98, I think, so that makes them $1.08 each. They are still really cute. They're not really the microfiber headbands that you would use during a facial, but they do keep your hair back, and you can also use these during the day, and they would be an amazing gift. Okay, so these are a step up. These are 9 for $9.99, so that makes them $1.11 each. They are really cute. They're a little small, like they're a little tight in my head. I think these might be for kids. But so being $1.11, that's an amazing gift too, depending on your the price of your bag, the price you want your bag to be. Again, keep that in mind when I'm showing you all these things. You can mix and match. You don't have to use all these things. You don't have to use any of these. You can find something a lot more affordable that's even better for you. And the last set of headbands is the most expensive. It comes in at $1.50. And it's this bag right here. I love these headbands. I love them. They are an adult size. They feel so soft. They're so cute. So the next item is the silicone brushes. Let me just take them out of this bag because they make a lot of noise. Okay, so there's a lot. There's 15 here. I purchased them for $7.99, so that's 53 cents each. So they come individually packaged. That's why I ordered these. They're in bulk. The more you buy of a certain item, usually the cheaper they are, the more affordable they are. Okay, so I have 3 more items for y'all. The first one is going to be these little headbands. I don't remember how much these were. I'll put it right here. But again, it's important to know how much they are individually so you know how to build your bag according to what you can afford. And I chose these because there's so many of them. They're really cute. They're kind of eye-catching in a clear plastic bag. And yeah, these don't pull my hair too much. Next is these little cleaning brushes is what they're called. They're like face scrubbers. This is how they look on the back. And again, these were a little bit more on the expensive side. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these. I just wanted to give y'all an idea. I think I might go with the headbands actually. They're about the same price. So these are a really cute idea too, just because through the plastic bag, seeing a bright color like this would kind of catch attention. And they can use it every day really. It's reusable. The wrong size came in. I'm so sad. So I reordered it. It hasn't got here yet, but these are so cute. Let me see if I can focus in on them a little bit more. They look like this. They are just little like dropper bottles. The bottom is frosted glass. There's also clear glass. There's also pink bottles, but it has like a little dropper right there. I didn't know that they were gonna be this small. I reordered them just like maybe twice the size of these. Put it in the bag and tell them, hey, there's a little empty dropper bottle in there for your favorite serum every day. They can throw this in their purse and remember you every day that they use it. Also, it can lead into selling actual products to your clients. Like we sell image products at school. I could be like, well, there's a cute little, you know, there's a cute little dropper in there. Why don't you take a look at our product? So another idea was chapsticks, which didn't arrive in time for this video. So you can buy both chapsticks if you'd like. You can also add different candies. These are cents per candy, which would not add much to the cost of your overall bag. The reason though that I probably won't go with these lip masks, and I probably won't go with anything that has like a serum or chapstick, the reason I would probably stay away from those is because we don't know how these products are going to affect a client's skin. I even saw individual packages for like eye masks and things like that. I don't want to add that because I don't know how the client's skin is going to react, and I don't want them to lose trust in me if something was to irritate their skin. So I will stay with something a little safer like exfoliation gloves, things like that. So I did have a few notes for y'all before I show y'all the gift bags that I made. First, I would say buy in bulk. It will save you so much money, especially on Amazon. The headbands in bulk are a quarter of the cost they would be buying them separately. I would say purchase something quality over quantity. So I'd rather have one good item in a bag than 4 not so good ones. Third, I would say think about how much you get tipped on average and the price of your service so that you can choose a good price range for your bag. If you know you're not going to get tipped much and your services are still student service prices, you might want to stay below $1. If say it's a higher service, you can go above that. It just depends on you and what you decide to price your bags at. Also, to find the price of each individual item, say these, you divide the total price by how many is sold in a package, and that should give you cents per piece. Okay, so I have a few little gift bag ideas before I let y'all go. The first one is very simple. It has like the bow on the front wrapped around the card with a little filler, a candy. I would definitely put my business card in here as soon as they come in. But this one has like an I am grateful card in it, and it looks like that. The second one is the same. I would probably give this one out though if they had like a pricier service. That way it could offset the cost of the bag more. This one's maybe $2 versus this one, which might be $1 period. So this one has like the face mask, the filler, some candy. It has a serum bottle, the little lip mask. It has the I am grateful card, as well as or your business card or your menu. There's that one. And another idea, these are literally limitless. You just put your own touch on it. You do what you can afford. And so this one has the card, it has the little glove wrapped around, some candy, some filler, and a little bath bomb. So definitely go buy items in bulk and definitely price out each item by dividing the total cost versus how many there are. Dividing that will give you how much each little item is, so that you can price your bags according to either your tips, your services, whatever. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, or if you would like to see more videos like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Adios.